All features on the website are free for users, but we also offer paid functionality that can be beneficial for NFT collection creators. Let's go into detail about this now. We offer the following paid features: advertising, 3 slots for publishing your ads; GIF animation, enhancing the profile photo of your collection; and Rarity Ranking, rarity generation and storage on the website. Our partners enjoy special benefits and privileges. You can become our official partner by reaching out to our support team or opening a ticket on our Discord server. Payment is processed through our partner, Coinbase, where you can pay for all features with cryptocurrency. We recommend using Polygon Matic in such cases as you'll incur minimal fees for the payment transaction. If you're not satisfied with payment through Coinbase, you can contact our support, and we'll help you choose the best payment option for you. Now we will show and tell you about the types of advertising on the website. The ads are displayed on the website's homepage in the upcoming NFT calendar section and in the all NFT drops section, which is an archive of all NFT collections on the site. The ads are also shown on the mobile version of the website. Main banner, the banner at the top of the website. Block banner, an embedded banner in the card menu. Banner below the menu in the all NFT drops section. This banner is included as a bonus with the purchase of the maximum advertising package. The current prices for all paid features can be found in the advertising section. You can also read our advertising guidelines. We can assist you in preparing or creating materials for your advertising. To do so, please contact our support team. You can purchase paid features when adding a collection to the website or at any time by using the advertising section. Feel free to reach out to our support team if you have any questions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to purchase advertising on the website. Go to the website and click on the Advertising button. This is the Advertising and Paid Functionality menu. Here, you need to choose the option you want to purchase. You can read the description and follow the link to check the guidelines. Upload your file here. Insert the link you want users to be directed to when they click on the banner. Enter your contact information here. This can be any messaging app, email, or social network. Add a description here. You can simply enter random numbers and letters as a bot protection measure. Here's what it looks like when filled out. Verify the information and click the button. This is the official Coinbase Payment gateway. We use it for maximum customer security. We understand that not everyone prefers this method, as it requires payment through cryptocurrency wallets. You can reach out to our support team, and they will provide you with the most convenient payment method. The support contact information can be found on the website, in Discord, or in the Twitter profile description. If you are comfortable with payment through Coinbase, you need to select your wallet for payment and connect it. It's recommended to do this through the Polygon network, as it results in very low fees. Press the button, and your advertising will be sent to the managers for processing.